Hi everyone, I'm Jingxi Chen, a first-year master student in the CS department. Today I'm going to present our work on multi-agent reinforcement learning for visibility-based persistent monitoring. I work with Amish Zhongshen and Professor Pratap. Our work is on a team of agents that are doing persistent monitoring of an environment. This task is a multi-agent collaborative task, and we focus on 2D environment with stationary obstacles. The persistent monitoring task is about to reduce latency penalty on the environment. And the latency penalty is that if a point in the environment is not monitored by any agent, it will accrue a latency penalty value on it. And our goal is to minimize the overall latency penalty values on the entire environment. We also consider the visibility for the agents. So for each agent, it has a limited field of view, and its visibility can be obstructed by the obstacles. There are some existing work in the persistent monitoring PM problem. So the first direction is a submodularity-based PM problem. On the left, you can see that they are representing the environment as a graph, and they are trying to use some submodular optimization algorithms for selecting trajectories for the agents in order to do the persistent monitoring. The second direction is a fixed trajectory PM problem. On the right, we can see that there's only one fixed trajectory shared for all the agents. And then they are trying to use a linear program-based solution in order to solve for the position where each agent should go on this fixed trajectory. But however, for the both cases, they don't consider the visibility for the agents because there are no obstacles in the environment. Our proposed approach is this MEG-PPO approach. So the general idea is that we are trying to use a learning-based approach, and we formulate the coordination between agents through the learnable communication. So our architecture consists of two parts. One is a graph attention network GAT. Another part is a proximal policy optimization PPO. So we are using the GAT to formulate the communication between agents. So the GAT will share the observation between agents, and for each agent, GAT will aggregate other agents' observations and form an aggregated information. And then it will pass this aggregate information into the PPO, and PPO will try to learn and make a decision for agents' actions based on this aggregate information. The most noticeable thing in our experimental results is that the MEG-PPO approach can learn some interesting structure in its solution. As we can see in the following example, so the learned policy for these four agents on this open map environment is that three agents are moving in a circular tour with one agent stay at the middle. We can see from the right-hand phase plot is that for the three circular movement agents, the learned policy is that periodic, and also there's a constant phase difference between their movement. All right, thank you for the listening.